Welcome guys at ALSCNC Workshop. Today we're showcasing a new DustShoe. It's for a 65mm spindle or trim router. It was designed by James Dean Designs. He's on YouTube, maybe you'll follow him. And he's released this new DustShoe. So I'm just going to showcase it today. It's so simple just to put together, just all magnets like that. And in addition to what James has designed, you've got your magnet clamps there. Right, I've made an insert for the standard Fox Alien dust extractor. It's Pet G. It's called Sunny Orange. It's lovely. It's not quite as vibrant as it looks on the camera. And the bristles are made out of TPU, which is a flexible 3D printing material. And in addition, you've got these smaller bristles. It's not quite as chunky there, but yeah. I think it's going to be a nice little addition to your CNC router. You just put the shorter ones on if you've got and they're that easy to clip on. So yeah, I think it'll be okay. It's fully adjustable downwards that way as well. And like the Fox Alien one, there's a bit more meat on it to actually get hold of. But yeah, just pop you down a sec whilst I get that out. So that's just an adapter that's gone on there. It fits in. That's for a 2.5 inch hose. Next edition that I might do, I know James said he's going to do it, but I'm gonna make an offset adapter for a 4-inch hose. It does increase the weight of the machine a little bit, but it's not going to affect it running too much. I'm going to do some test runs with it and some material. This is another little project I've been working on. This is a vacuum table. It's made up of 9 sections, and you just tape off the bits you don't want to use, and then you put sealant tape in there, and as the vacuum comes out underneath, got a few more bits and pieces to do and get the pump organised. Got some shut off valves as well, so I might multi-zone it and then you can shut them off. But yeah, we'll see how this one goes. At the moment it's just a prototype, but this has come from printables, so it's not for sale. If you want it, you have to download the file yourself. This is just for me, it's not for sale. But these fellas, I spoke to James Dean overnight and he's granted me a license to commercially sell these as a fully 3D printed part for you to purchase, which you can get on our website or on our eBay store. Links for those will be down in the description. If you have any queries, there's email available on our web store, which link, and I'll pop a link into the in the description for the email as well for you. All right, but yeah, still to be fully tested, but I think it's a pretty good idea. You guys might have seen I made an extension for these just so that you didn't have to keep sliding it up and down when you put a longer tool in or a shorter tool. Made it very heavy, and there's only 2 magnets holding this together, so it kept falling apart, and then I had to make some clips to go here to hold it together, and it just wasn't quite right. But yeah, this one I think will be a nice little addition to any workshop. And then you can just buy, obviously these bristles are glued in, so you'd have to buy the whole thing if that gets damaged. Not the whole thing, but one of these, a new head, new bristle head, which you have to do on Fox Alien anyway. Right guys, that'll do for today. Keep your chins up, see you soon.